1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
You worse than me! Hey everybody, I'm T.
K.
We are Frugal Fashion Fun, and where we at?
We are at Goodwill.
We're at Goodwill, and
Yeah.
what are we doing today?
We're doing a thrifting 101.
How to thrift. How to
Yes.
get the most out of your thrifting experience, because we OGs in the game.
Yeah, and if you're new with thrifting, it could be nerve-wracking. You may feel a little icky about it. So we just want to give you guys some pointers so you don't feel overwhelmed.
And how, when we first started to thrift, how we maximized our thrifting experience. There's certain sections that are cheaper. There's certain sections where if you just want to try, like,
Outerwear,
for example.
Yeah, if you don't want to try on like a skirt or pants, outerwear is the best start.
Oh, the sun ray is
just like beaming.
Just beaming, okay.
Like your natural hair,
I have my natural hair, but the sun is doing something. But all right.
So ready for outfit of the day?
Let's do outfit of the day.
1, 2, 3.
Bam!
You get overwhelmed when you come into the thrift store? Looking a hot mess? Feeling stress? Well, guys, the color of the week is
White.
white.
So if you're new to thrifting, maybe try to look for the white tag because it's half off.
Yes.
You know, don't like get stuck on it, but if you see a white tag, that's a good thing. Half
Yes.
off.
All right, you guys. So the first thing you do when you first come, especially in the climate that we're living in right now, we need wipes.
Purell.
Yes.
Wipe down the car, you know. And
Wipe the handles down.
also, you know, when you go in the shoe department, you can wipe the shoes down and different, you know, things if you're uncomfortable.
Yes. All right. So first, let's start with outerwear since we're here.
Outerwear is good to start because you just try it on over your, you know, over your clothes.
Yes, over a turtleneck or whatever, t-shirt, and you don't have to worry about if you're iffy about, you know, like germs and stuff like that, or underarm. You know, it's just easy.
Yeah, and usually you can wear it spring, fall, and winter.
Exactly. All right, so let's show you guys some of the outerwear. So this is a nice example when you go thrifting. This is a lightweight denim.
And that's on, it's on the yellow. So
And yeah, so the color is white today. But isn't this nice?
that's $15.
This is spring ready. It's too much money here on Goodwill,
I
but
know, yeah.
half off if the color is yellow, it'll be half off.
Yeah, so you can get you a nice denim. You can get you
Yes.
some color.
Color, honey.
If you like color.
And it's so easy just to try these on if
Yeah.
you're new to thrifting. Just start with the outerwear because it's simple, it's not overwhelming, and then you can just bounce if this is all it is. you
Yeah,
know?
and usually outerwear has something for everyone. There's a lot of variety.
Green is the color with the trending community.
Yeah, even though
Yeah, I said
it's
trending
just a
community.
color. We
It's
like
just
all colors.
Yeah, but this is a popular. Now they want $50 for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't listen, if you're new to thrifting, don't run away, because most people would run away when they saw that.
Because they would be like, okay, I could go to Walmart, which we are going after this, and get it for cheaper.
Yeah.
The key is though, you can't get this cheaper anywhere else.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, something like this could be probably more than 50 in retail.
Yeah. So wait until it's on a red, and then when it's half
Yeah.
off. That's
So
the
if you
key.
see a high price, don't get in your feelings. You know, you got to keep looking, and you have to be patient.
Very patient. Yeah.
That's like probably should be the first thing. Be patient.
If you're not patient,
you ain't making it, because you have to look.
When it comes to thrifting, you have to.
You
be
can't
patient.
rush. Don't
You can't
come,
rush.
you know, with your kid. Don't come with your babies. We love the babies.
Oh, that's another tip. Don't come with your kids because you'll be a hot mess. You'll be distracted, and you'll be ready to cry and leave.
Yeah. What do you think? A good hour
Yes.
or 2?
Hour.
A good hour minimum.
Well, I think if you're by yourself, you have a good 2 hours. It just depends on your mental state, what you're coming here for. You know what I'm saying?
That's true. Yeah, don't rush it. So take your time.
Yes.
And you will find something.
Plus size perfection. So
That's another tip. If you're a plus size diva, there is something for you. Look at this.
yes, if you're plus size,
Don't
yes,
be
that-
discouraged.
I would
Pounds
get
too.
that. Is that a coat or like a
This is a
lightweight
coat.
duster?
I think it's a coat, a lightweight coat, and this is
$20
$20.
bad.
Ain't bad.
But 20% off, like if you could get on a half off day for your plus size divas.
That's right.
Plenty.
In the winter, if you want a bubble coat,
yeah.
I know winter's gone.
And another a good tip is look for winter stuff now, because that's when it's half off and they're trying to get rid of
Off
it, right?
season.
Off season.
Shop off season.
Shop off season.
We're in spring now, but don't
Yeah.
look at these. Look at these.
Look at because the numbers will be coming down on these. The prices will be coming down on the winter stuff.
So you have all kind of winter goodness here. $20.
Yep. And under.
Okay, we're in the blazer section. Why is the blazer section good?
It's good for workwear, casual.
Yeah.
You can do a lot with blazers, and it's cheap. This is only $6.99.
Yeah. Blazer section is good. You could dress it up, dress it down. She is cute. A nice neutral. Ann Taylor.
Ann Taylor.
It's on the white tag, and it would have been it'd be half off at $12.99. See, that's a thicker one.
I wish it was double breasted though.
Oh, you want double breasted, but this has a thicker consistency.
And it's $12.99. I like this $6.99.
Oh, she said I like the price.
This.
Yeah, I like color. Do you see anything colorful for me? For me.
Oh, that's cute.
If you like color, red is a classic.
I know. This is cute, but this is more like a crop black.
This would be only $5 with the arms, I think.
Oh, that's like a wrinkle. It is.
Use a tip, y'all. Use Dry L. It's a home cleaner where you can put this in a Dry L bag and it'll be good.
Yeah.
Here's another red one. This is like a wool.
$12.99. That's nice.
This is a classic vintage. Vintage. Oh, vintage.
If vintage is
another tip within a tip.
Yes.
Vintage lasts a long time.
Vintage lasts a long time, and I think when it's $15, $16, it's worth it because it does last longer.
Right. And here's the color that people been losing their mind over. The lime
know the
green. This is bright. So if you like bright,
it's right. If you like bright, it's right. We found a nice suit set, and I think $24 isn't bad.
No, boo boo, half off because it's on the white.
That's right. We have.
So if you need to be sharp and looking cute on a budget for work,
bam.
Are you a business? Are you a boss businesswoman?
Hello.
$12. No one would know.
No one would know.
Look at this. It's neutral.
And then, it's cheaper because sometimes when you thrift a suit, it's a lot cheaper than going to like Macy's or in-store. You know what I'm saying?
Cheaper. This would be like $100 in its dress barn.
$150, even $200.
Yeah, so you
$300.
business women,
yes,
come here.
Yes,
do this.
Yes.
Black blazer, right? Medium tailored. It would only be $3.50.
Yo, I gotta try that.
Classics. So you can always get classics and essential pieces here.
Yes.
You know, don't go buck wild at these retail stores. This is good.
That's cute.
And also, if you like designer inspired,
Chanel-esque. Yes,
right?
Very nice.
Chanel-esque. So if you're like into designer dupes,
this is cute too.
So this
is very lightweight.
We're familiar with a lot of the vintage Sag Harbor.
Yes.
Sag Harbor is a good vintage. Jones, New York.
Bam.
Jones, New York. I mean, we've been thrifting for
and they're just classic because they last for a very long time.
Yeah. So you'll get more wear out of it versus retail.
Yes. Blouses.
Blouses. You gotta look at the blouses. You can get them for cheap. And what's another tip? Start at the extra large.
Yeah, and work it down.
Because stuff shrinks, y'all. It shrinks.
Yeah, don't get caught up in the sizes. I know, like, oh, I'm not a this, I'm not an extra. It don't matter.
Yeah.
Just try it on. Yeah. You wear the clothes don't wear you.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Oh, floral.
Prints.
So the blouse section is full of everything. Prints.
Yeah.
We have more print.
That's nice.
So we have animal print, we have floral print.
Yeah.
And let's see how much this stuff is.
This is $10, which isn't horrible.
Look how blinky this is. This is $6.99, y'all. $6.99. How about a black? Show them a classic black. If you're not into color,
oh, that's nice.
Then you just have a classic black.
This is like a nice duster.
Okay.
I kind of like that for me.
So this is a cardigan, kind of in the blouse section, but it's only $6.99. Very, very cute. This is also a cardigan, but bright pink, right? Half off. This would be $5, and it's got the tag on Worthington. So $5 for this.
Okay.
Oh, she coming with the plaid party.
Yeah, this little plaid crazy. You got this plaid, okay? $5. Here you go, T. Here, help us, Sister.
Oh, okay.
I said,
I'm
help us.
I'm trying to look for myself.
Help
Okay.
us, Sister.
So she got plaid.
We got this is like a nice.
It's like an open cardigan.
Yeah,
And this is 6.
very nice.
Mhm.
Classic red. This is bomb.
So cute. Is it like a turtleneck?
What is this? I just grabbed it, girl.
I don't know, but it's $6. It feels like pajamas.
Stripes, y'all. Everyone and their mamas in the stripes.
So listen, if you follow the trends, which, you know, fine. If you follow them, that's cool. The thrift store is full of trends, ain't it?
Yes,
Like
and
these stripes.
dirt cheap,
You
y'all.
can find all the trends here too. Like
Yes,
this.
look you guys. Spring.
That's right.
The next tip I would say is when you come thrifting, blouses are easy. Just wear a tank and pop this bad boy on. So, you know, look at it, very detailed, the underarms and everything.
Inspect. Yes, go ahead.
Make sure you inspect before you try on. That's very key,
Because
okay?
I don't think they take returns
Now,
now.
yeah, I don't. When it comes to clothes, no, they don't take returns. We got a cute polka dot see-through. This is perfect for spring with a tank underneath.
Oh, it sure is.
Oh, that's
Isn't that
nice.
nice? You could just wear it open.
Yeah, you can wear it open with a tank underneath.
Yeah.
Ooh, do I want this? How much? $3?
Okay.
It better be $3. I don't see.
Do it not have a price? Oh, what does it say?
It's $5.
You know what? That's neutral.
This is cute. I might.
That's
This
another
is
polka dot
cute.
and another polka dot.
This is cute. No, I like polka dot, but I like this type of polka dot. 'Cause
Small.
It's subtle.
Yeah. Another tip is put everything in your cart.
Yeah.
If you're indecisive,
Basically, everything in the cart I'm gonna be
yeah,
trying.
you try it on. You
Yeah.
could try it on over Goodwill. The fitting rooms are open,
Yes.
so you could try it on
Yes.
and make sure you like it.
So, tip number, we don't know what this is, but we're gonna put the number in. Listen, y'all, this is bomb. If you have a nice event, a graduation, a wedding party,
Anything where you need
Anniversary.
to dress up. This is still a little much here, 25.
it's better than 90.
But
sis.
it's better than.
You know what I'm saying? It's better than 90.
Right.
You know?
If you like
Ooh, that's
print,
pretty.
this
That's
is nice.
really
$5.
nice.
The skirts are normally
Very
cheap.
reasonable.
Look at
yeah.
this, y'all. I can't even tell y'all polka dot.
Oh, y'all, we liking polka dot like loveliness. Okay. So many prints here. Look at all these prints.
Color, spring.
Color, spring loveliness.
Look at this color, boo boo.
Oh, I know. Oh my goodness, that's so
Look at
nice.
this one. I like this one actually.
But if you see any like old school wool print, that's what
so
I
you
like.
like the wool plaid, right?
Yeah, I want wool plaid. That's exactly what
See
I'm
this
looking
one,
for.
girl. This is $2.
Yo,
But it's too big. But it's $2.
you could always
You could. This is for. Can you hem this up for me? I mean, could you do the?
yeah. Oh,
You can't do this, Dave. It's too
I-
big here.
You could pin it up.
Oh, you could
pin it. Bobby pin it. That's what I always did.
This is such a pretty
Yeah.
color. Okay, I have to.
What size is that? That's not $2. You
It's
need to get
$2.
that. Pin it up with a bobby pin.
Yeah, this is an extra large.
Yeah.
So this
Yeah.
one will fit.
Oh, that's nice.
This is the Little House on the Prairie skirt with all the ruffles.
Now tell them that I'm back in. See, I like prairie, but
This is neutral prairie. Do you
but
like this?
I'm still peasanty. Although I'm not into prints, tell them my style hasn't really changed, right?
Yeah.
T?
Oh, your style hasn't changed. You just
I don't like prints as
different
much.
elements of your
Yeah.
style, you know.
That's kind of cute. You don't like it?
I kind of do. It's $5.
I got no plaid.
Welcome to the jungle, baby. Welcome to the jungle. You want to go to the jungle? Look at this.
Yeah, and you know what? That's the next tip. Is that skirts are easy to put on. So you just wear leggings.
tank.
Boy shorts, you could just put these over your pants, but wear leggings because if you don't want to, you know what I'm saying, it's
these
just
are
easier.
Okay.
All right, y'all, so we're in the shoe section.
Shoes, boots, sandals. Now, this is probably the last section we would suggest. Once you get your feet wet,
Yeah,
try this section.
this is probably the last section. I mean, because you have your dresses, you have your skirts, you have your pants. Pants, it's an individual choice. T
Yeah.
and I usually, you know, once in a blue moon.
Yeah.
But pants is iffy. I mean, you gotta really like inspect
Yeah.
and go in, you know, the
Yeah.
crotch area and all that
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
but
you can buy pants new for
Yeah.
cheap. Yeah.
but for shoes, inspect, have your wipes, wipe
Yes.
it down, and just try on. Have socks on,
Yeah.
and you'll be good to go.
Yeah. So I want to look at the sandals because it's spring time.
So let's see what they have, y'all.
Okay.
So obviously they have a lot of boots because they're trying to get rid of them.
Boots
but
galore.
they have
if you
tons
like-
of loafers.
If you like flat boots, faux suede boots, stiletto boots,
They have.
fringe boots,
Yeah.
they have literally every type of boot you could
Yeah.
imagine.
They got cute loafers, but
Loafers, flats. They
Yeah.
got flats.
if you're iffy, because T and I, we have whites, but you can always wear gloves too, okay?
Oh yeah, definitely bring your
Those
gloves.
are cute. I saw those,
So,
but they're too small. I like those. You think I'm messing? I would have gotten them.
for real. Now,
Those are cute.
no one would ever know y'all got these from Goodwill. $6.
Nope. But they're too
$6,
small,
and they're too
y'all.
small. Dang.
If they were bigger, I would have snatched those bad boys up. But she's hesitant because they're $12.
Oh my god, because we're going to Walmart after this,
I
so
know.
it's like Walmart has cheaper shoes
I'll
too.
try them on.
This is a 9.5.
Those will fit me. I kind of like the wedge. That's the only reason.
I know we like wedges.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, just move that aside.
And look at the variety of.
I'm gonna put these in there. I might try these on. I went to Walmart on my own.
You did.
But it might be different when you go.
Oh man.
The neutral colors here, the browns and stuff. These are cute. These are kind of cute. I should. So yeah, T was walking. She had a conniption.
I'm sorry. You know,
H&M.
we usually don't do the pants section, but
Do you
these are
really need
cute.
another leather?
I have leather on now. Look. But
Try
I gotta
them.
try them on. They're only $6.
No, it's
Okay,
good.
so I have this skirt.
You like
And
it?
I like it. It fits so good. It has a little bling bling here.
I like it, girl.
And this is only $2.
I like the shoulders.
Yeah, I like the
If I was
gold.
a little bit more curvier, I
Yeah.
would 100% do this.
Look at that. That's like $100
You sure I can't
blazer.
get this and just wear it?
Oh no, it's big.
It's too big, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We like oversized, but that's just
Oh, yeah,
too big.
it's women.
Okay,
Okay,
next.
next.
Okay, so Kay has on this gray. It's like a wool material.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks good. It fits good. You can wear it open or buttoned.
Mm-hmm.
And the sleeves just come right there. They're perfect.
I'm gonna get this.
Tip number 1, 2, 3, and 4: inspect, because
these have moth holes, y'all.
where is it?
Like-
Okay, right here,
Yeah.
right here, right
Yeah,
here,
right here.
and there was another one right
This
here.
is a big one right
Yep.
here, y'all. So it's important to inspect because I was gonna buy this,
Yep.
but upon inspection, T was like, nah, bro.
Yeah, because she turned around because she couldn't really see the back, so I said
Yeah.
it's on the back holes.
And yeah, it'll just get bigger.
Yeah.
So T thought I told her to try it on. Oh, it's too big. You gotta
I thought
try it
was too
on.
big, but it just fits
fits
so nice.
nice.
It has a nice modest slit right here.
It's
It's
cute.
very comfortable.
Yes,
And
that's
I
a nice
love the
material.
color, and it's perfect for spring.
Yeah, that's a nice material for this.
So bad news, the H&M pants were too big.
Yeah, they're a
So I'm
12.
getting those. They're a 12.
Yeah, that's big.
So I'm getting this for $2 and this for $2.
I should take that skirt, the blue one
The
out.
colors, aren't they perfect?
They're cute.
So
Yeah.
I'm leaving with 2 skirts for under $5. So to all of our subscribers who always comment, and we're always chatting in the comments, leave your tips below if we forgot something. So share in the comments what you guys do to get the most out of your trip.
Yes.
Because, you know, we like, maybe there's something we missed. I'm sure there is.
And it's helpful for us too because
Yeah.
although we're pros, there's more pros than who've been thrifting longer than us. You know what I'm saying?
That's right. So we can
So
all
yeah,
share.
comment down below if there's any other tips that you could share that would be
Yeah.
helpful even to T and I.
Yeah, exactly. All right, we're going to Walmart.
That's right. All right, y'all. Bye.